Mmm. You like it, don't you?
Taste. Good. Taste. Good. Get it. Get it. Good job. No more.
Are you full yet, Toofy? No? Still hungry?
No more. You ate half my bread. I was like, ooh, there's more over there.
Oh, you see that, don't you? Oh, don't lick the... Don't lick the couch. Give me some. Here you go. Mmm. You like it, don't you? You like the bread. Wow, you sure swallow fast. Another one? Wow, you eat faster than I do, Toofy. Can you slow down a bit? I'm gonna run out of bread. He's drooling on my head.
Yeah.
You know, we're supposed to share this, right, Toofy? Not just for you. I haven't even gotten a bite in yet. Last piece, okay? Last piece. Okay. Last piece. I have to save some for myself. Last one. You good? No more, okay? No more. No more. Hey, you get a bite. Okay, no more. Last bite for me. I gave you more than half my bread. No more. Go play. Go play. Oh, you got a tennis ball now. You gonna go play?